we've seen more and more users, especially small business owners, are getting into apparel printing. But traditional machines make it harder than it should be. We knew there had to be a better way, so we made it happen. With the xTool Apparel Printer, custom apparel becomes easier than ever, and we believe it's a game changer for apparel retail. No technical background needed, no complicated setup. Whether you run a business or just print for fun, now anyone can print with ease.
When we set out to create the xTool Apparel Printer, the first fully automatically print-to-bake solution, we faced a major challenge: material jams at the connection between the printer and the oven. So to fix this, we brought together a team about 20 people and spent over 6 months refining every details, constantly improving the user experience and workflow. So our goal was very clear: to let users focus on what matters, creating without dealing with any complicated setup, making the creative process easier and more enjoyable.
The current printer I use, I have to pull ink every day before I print, and then I have to run a nozzle check. So there's maybe 30 minutes a day that I have to maintenance my current DTF printer.
My hands are black.
Okay.
From cleaning my other printer, even with rubber gloves on.
And with xTools, I just print and it does what it cleans by itself.
I've left it there for 10 days unattended, didn't do anything to it, did a couple head cleanings, and I was back up and running. If I did that with my other printer, I'd be replacing a print head.
DTF 打印机它其实有一个非常重要，但是用户体验非常不好的一个地方，就是校准。传统打印机的校准流程非常的复杂，其中一个就是双头之间的间距，通过打校准图，用户去输入校准值的方式，去完成一个校准。打印头如果安装歪了，只能通过拧螺丝去实现。
我们呢也对打印头上去增加了一个这样的1600万像素的一个摄像头，通过这个摄像头我们进行一个高精度的一个拍照，然后系统里面进行 AI 的一个算法识别，去自动的帮助用户做相应的一个校准。
校准的话就只要一键，用户什么都不需要管，就给它校准好。
是的。
If some printhead nozzle remain clogged after cleaning, the AI camera detects them from the test prints and automatically compensates with unclogged nozzle during printing, ensuring print quality and extending the lifespan of the printhead. To achieve exceptional color accuracy and printing details, we equip it with 2 industrial-grade printheads. They are Epson i16000 printhead. They're usually found in high-end DTF printers costing over $10,000. This means sharper details, 1.5 printing speed, and also double the lifespan.
Most entry-level printers in this category use 118 NPI printhead. NPI, nozzles per inch. But xTool Apparel Printer equipped dual printhead with 300 NPI, meaning more nozzles per inch, delivering finer details and sharper prints.
我们自前年12月起组建了一个12人的研发工程师团队，自研我们的板卡和 RIP 软件，能更好的调整色彩曲线。我们的打印效果的目标都是以国际 G7 认证的一个标准去做参考，提供给用户一个更好的一个体验。
Let's change clothing retail with the xTool Apparel Printer. It lets stores offer custom printing right in the store, giving customers exactly what they want. This makes shopping more fun while helping stores stand out and make more money. Join the future of apparel printing today.